If you want to learn how to fight Muay Thai, then get How to Fight Muay Thai written by a real-life Muay Thai instructor. This How to Fight Muay Thai guide will give you all the history, traditions, customs, and basic techniques you need to know to begin Muay Thai. If you've always wanted to start Muay Thai but weren't sure what the techniques are and how to perform them, How to Fight Muay Thai will illustrate and explain basic techniques that you can learn quickly. You can then build on those basic techniques. This step-by-step guide will help you to begin your Muay Thai journey the right way. Whether you want to improve your current Muay Thai or start from the beginning, this step-by-step guide will show you basic techniques that you can develop and easily practice on your own. In this book, your questions will be answered as to why certain techniques are performed and why they should be executed correctly to get the most power. Improve your stance to ensure better footwork skills. Learn to carry out basic Muay Thai moves the right way. Get a better workout by practicing correctly and efficiently. Learn the proper way to wrap your hands. What should you expect in your first Muay Thai class? Learn to become more powerful by using the tips and tricks in this step-by-step guide. If you enjoy Muay Thai, then this is the perfect opportunity to live your dream of becoming better at Muay Thai. Advance your conditioning and stamina with the drills in this guide. Discover what you've been missing in your punches or kicks with the detailed instructions and pictures. Gain speed and accuracy by following the numerous tips and illustrations. The ancient art of Muay Thai is more than just fighting. This step-by-step guide will be invaluable to you.